Hi everybody. Today let's see this nomenclature of AC family. So in this I'll write one table, that is I'll write functional group here, and while writing common name, what we have to see here, and while writing IUPAC, what we have to do. Okay, so even class also we should write. Say number one is aldehyde. Functional group is CHO. While writing common name, we'll write suffix aldehyde. And during IUPAC, we'll write al. Okay. Now we'll see amide. In this case, as a functional group is this common name. While writing common name, we have to use amide. Here also we are going to use amide. Okay. Number three now. Say for alkyl nitrile, it is cyanide here. While writing common name, we write here nitrile. Sorry, it's O-nitrile, and here we have nitrile. Next is acyl chloride. Acyl chloride. So we have COCl. In this case, we write YL chloride, and here OYL chloride. Okay. Now number 5, we have ester. Ester is COOR. Here we write 8, and here we have O8. And main group here is acid actually. So acid, I'll write here to the end actually, acid. Acid is COOH. For common name, we should know that I gave last class formic, acetic, propionic, butyric. Okay, so for while writing IUPAC, we are going to use oic acid. Okay. Actually, while writing common name, what important we have to do here is we have to think of acid, carboxylic acid, and of that acid, IC we have to replace. IC is replaced by aldehyde, amide, O-nitrile, YL chloride 8. And while writing IUPAC, first you have to think of alkane. You will understand this more when actual structure will see. Examples we can say. In case of alkane, letter E is replaced by al, amide, nitrile. Okay, to understand this table more here, we'll go for actual example. Okay, so we'll see now. Number one example, say I'll write CH3, CH2, CHO. Now, if I want to write common name and here IUPAC, so what I have to do? So as you can see, while writing common name, what we have to do is we have to think of acid. So you think of acid means 3 carbons are there. With 3 carbon, which acid is possible? Propionic acid. So what you have to do is you have to write propionic in such a way, propionic. But IC acid, we don't have to write because that we have to replace. To that place, what will write? To that place, we'll write aldehyde. So here is aldehyde. Okay. Now, while writing IUPAC, what to do? Think of alkane. So which alkane is possible? With 3 carbon, the alkane possible is propane. Okay. From where I got this aldehyde? From this table. See this. Now, this letter E we have to replace. Letter E we want to replace, and to that place, to the place of E, what you are going to write? See in this table, al. So you will write here al. Okay, similarly, we'll do one thing. एक और एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे, then you will understand more. फिर बहुत अच्छी तरह से बात समझ में आ जाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम बात करें CH3CN, वैसे इसका कॉमन नेम मिथाइल साइनाइड भी है. ये मिथाइल साइनाइड है ना, इसका अगर हम कॉमन नेम इस टेबल से ट्राई करें तो फर्स्ट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, सबसे पहला काम क्या करना है? तो सबसे पहले तो आपको सोचना होगा एसिड के बारे में. ये कौन सा एसिड होगा? 2 कार्बन से विच एसिड वी कैन राइट? 2 कार्बन इज देयर, तो 2 कार्बन से जो एसिड होगा दैट इज एसेटिक. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, ये आईसी हमें हटाना है. यहां लिखा है, आप जरा ऊपर देखें, एसिड का क्या करना है? एसिड का आईसी हटा देना है. ठीक है, तो आईसी हटा दिया. टू दैट प्लेस, उसकी जगह पे क्या लेके आएंगे? देखिए जरा, ओ नाइट्राइल. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर ओ नाइट्राइल. सो नाम हो गया एसिटोनाइट्राइल, जैसे पहले हो गया था प्रोपियोनाइल्डिहाइड. ओके, अब बात करते आईयूपीएसी. तो आईयूपीएसी में क्या बोला है? आईयूपीएसी बोला था पहले आप अल्केन सोच लो. एकदम टॉप में देखिए, अल्केन सोचना है. सो विच अल्केन? 2 कार्बन है, तो 2 कार्बन से क्या होगा? इथेन होगा. बट दिस टाइम आपका ई रिप्लेस नहीं होगा. व्हाई? ई तब रिप्लेस होता है व्हेन देयर इज वॉवेल लाइक ए ओ ओ ओ. बट हियर व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इज नाइट्राइल. हम नाइट्राइल लिखने वाले हैं, और नाइट्राइल आप देख रहे एन से स्टार्ट हुआ है, वो कोई वॉवेल नहीं है, इसलिए आपका ई ड्रॉप नहीं होगा. सो दिस वे दिस टेबल हेल्प्स. ये टेबल काफी मदद करता है while writing common name and IUPAC name. As you can see here, एक हम ईस्टर का भी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. We'll see one more example here. So yeah, this is oic acid here. Yes, we'll do one thing. Ester we'll discuss here. This place is there. So number 3 example say I'll write here. If we have C2H5 and COOCH3, if this compound is there, this ester. Okay, while writing common name, what we have to do? You have to think of acid. Okay, so which acid here? Say this. We have to consider here, say till here. Why? Because number of carbon we have to find out. 2 carbon, 3 carbon. With 3 carbon, we have propionic acid. Actually, in case of ester, what happens, you know, first we write alkyl, first methyl, and after writing methyl, then we count number of carbon, like 3 carbon is there, so propionic. But as you know, IC हटाना होगा, and to the place of IC, what will write? 8. So we'll write here 8. Methyl propionate. Okay, what about IUPAC now? In case of ester, what you have to keep in mind is, first you have to write alkyl. So the alkyl here is methyl. After writing methyl, you will see that how many carbons we have. So 3 carbon is there. So you have to think of alkane. So alkane is propane. So what you have to do? E को हटाना होगा as it is given, जैसा कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, E को हटा देना है. E की जगह पे आपको क्या लाना है? So here while writing, I think this is yeah, it is O8. So here is O8. So you will write here O8. So here, as we saw, while writing common name and IUPAC name, this table helps. Even it becomes easy to understand or to keep in mind. What is that, like we have aldehyde, al, amide, amide, O-nitrile, nitrile. If we have vial, O-vial. We have 8, then O8. This way, we can remember and it helps. While writing common name, I said think of acid, replace IC by these all suffix. While writing IUPAC, think of alkane, replace E by the suffix which are given down. So now we'll see one more example here. Okay, number 3 I did here there. So I'll write number 4, say here. Okay. So now for this, say for example, if I have HCONH2. Now we want to write common name. So what I said, while writing common name, what do you have to think? While writing common name, see up acid is given. Means think of acid with 1 carbon, the acid is formic. So what we have to do? IC replace to that place, to the place of IC, what we are going to write? Check in this amide. Amide is there. So we'll write here amide, amide. Okay, now we'll go for IUPAC. So 1 carbon is there. With 1 carbon, the alkane is methane. Okay, now to the place of E. E we have to drop here. Okay. To that place, what will write? To that place again amide. So here we'll write amide. So the name is formamide, methanamide. And that's why we can say here, this table is important to learn. And this helps while writing common name and IUPAC name. Okay. So for the day, this done. Next class we'll have nomenclature of non-acid family. Thank you.